Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best thick yoga mats that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Amazon Basics 1-inch extra thick workout exercise yoga mat. This mat features a 1-inch thick memory foam construction, providing outstanding cushioning and shock absorption. With dimensions of 74 by 24 inches, it accommodates users of all sizes comfortably. Its non-slip textured surface ensures stability during poses, making it a reliable option for yoga, Pilates, or floor fitness exercises. The build quality of this mat is decent for its price, with eco-friendly materials, free from harmful chemicals like phthalates and heavy metals. While the 1-inch thickness offers great support for joints, the mat does tend to retain its new product smell longer than most competitors, which could be off-putting for sensitive users. Amazon recommends airing it out for 48 hours before first use to mitigate this issue. In terms of value, this mat is priced mid-range and delivers a solid, no-frills experience. However, the lack of tear resistance and its relatively low customer rating of 4.1 stars might leave some users wanting more. It's best suited for those who need extra cushioning for light to moderate routines but are on a tighter budget. Pros include its thick padding and eco-friendly design, while cons include its lingering odor and less durable foam composition. At number 4, we have the Gaiam Essentials Thick Yoga Mat, with a thickness of 2/5 inches, 10 millimeters. This mat strikes a balance between portability and comfort. The high-density NBR foam provides ample cushioning for your knees and joints, making it a great option for yoga, Pilates, and stretching routines. It comes with a textured, non-slip surface that reduces sliding, even during dynamic or sweat-heavy workouts. The design is highly user-friendly, featuring an easy cinch carrying strap for effortless portability. Its odor-resistant and eco-conscious materials are a big plus, especially for users sensitive to chemical smells. Cleaning is a breeze. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth and you're good to go. However, the mat's slightly thinner profile compared to other options on this list may not provide enough support for users practicing high-impact exercises. While the price is not listed, Gaiam is known for offering quality products at reasonable rates, making this mat a solid value. It's ideal for individuals looking for a versatile and lightweight mat that can handle various fitness activities. Pros include its non-slick surface, easy portability, and eco-friendly materials. Cons include its thinner padding and a lack of tear-resistant properties for heavy use. Taking the third spot is the Balance From Yoga Mat, which boasts a full 1-inch thickness for premium cushioning. This mat is designed to protect your joints with its high-density foam, making it perfect for yoga, Pilates, and other high-impact workouts. Measuring 71 by 24 inches, it provides ample space for users of all body types. The non-slip surface ensures stability, even during intense or sweat-heavy sessions. The build quality is excellent, with a tear-resistant design that rebounds immediately after compression. It's also waterproof and easy to clean, adding convenience for users who need a low-maintenance option. The included nylon carrying strap makes it portable and perfect for studio commutes or home storage. However, at 2.2 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, which might be a drawback for users who prioritize lightweight mats. Priced at $34.47, it offers a good balance of quality and affordability. This mat is ideal for those who want a thicker option without breaking the bank. Pros include its thick cushioning, tear resistance, and easy maintenance. Cons include its heavier weight and slightly bulky design for transport. In second place, we have the Amazon Basics 1/2-inch extra thick exercise yoga mat. At just $21.98, This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, but it still delivers a solid performance. Made of 100% NBR foam, it provides decent cushioning for light yoga and fitness routines. With dimensions of 74 by 24 inches and a weight of just 1 kilogram, it's lightweight and easy to carry. Design-wise, this mat features a textured surface for extra traction, ensuring stability during poses. It comes with an elastic strap for convenient storage and portability. While the 1/2-inch thickness is sufficient for beginners, it may not provide enough cushioning for advanced practitioners or high-impact workouts. Additionally, the foam is less durable compared to the high-density materials used in its pricier counterparts. This mat is best suited for budget-conscious buyers who are new to yoga or need a secondary mat for occasional use. Pros include its affordable price, portability, and ease of cleaning. Cons include its lower durability and thinner padding, which might not be suitable for intense workouts or heavy daily use. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Retrospect Solana Yoga Mat. This premium mat offers a generous 1-inch thickness, delivering exceptional cushioning for your joints, hips, and knees. Its dimensions of 72 by 24 inches make it versatile for users of all sizes. The non-slip material ensures you stay balanced and secure during your practice, making it ideal for everything from yoga to Pilates and floor fitness workouts. The build quality is top-notch, with durable foam construction that resists wear and tear. It's also free of harsh chemicals like phthalates and latex, which is a big plus for eco-conscious users. Cleaning is simple with soap and water, and the included nylon carrying strap makes it easy to transport. While it's slightly heavier at 2.2 pounds, the durability and comfort more than make up for it. Priced at $39.99, this mat is the most expensive on our list, but its quality justifies the cost. It's perfect for dedicated practitioners who want a reliable, thick mat for daily use. Pros include its superior cushioning, non-slip surface, and eco-friendly design. Cons include its higher price point and initial odor, which dissipates after airing. If you're serious about your practice, this mat is a worthwhile investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.